Hi, my name is Keri. Welcome to my channel, Storytime with Keri. And today we're going to be reading Let's Find Out Space. What is an Object in the Sky? By Christine Poulos. What is an object in the sky? Objects in the sky. Since ancient times, people have tried to explain the things they see in the sky. Different cultures have seen different patterns in the stars. They have named constellations after familiar animals, everyday objects, and story characters. Ancient peoples also believed that angry gods threw lightning bolts from the heavens to punish humans on Earth. Since these times, scientists have learned much about what really is in the sky. This illustration shows the constellation of Orion, named after the hunter in Greek mythology. Constellations are among the many fascinating objects in the sky. When people think of objects in the sky, they may think about planets, the sun, the moon, and the constellations. Many other bodies orbit Earth and the sun. However, some of these bodies are natural, others are human-made. The sky and the Earth's atmosphere holds many interesting objects as well. We may not need a telescope to see them, but they are nonetheless dazzling. The atmosphere is a layer of gas that surrounds the Earth. Stars. Stars are glowing balls of gases. They are grouped into galaxies. The Milky Way galaxy alone contains hundreds of billions of stars. Most stars are incredibly far away. Nearly all stars are mostly made up of gas called hydrogen. A star's core is very hot. Great pressure squeezes the core, causing some of the hydrogen to change into another gas, helium. The process makes the stars shine. Stars are found in large groups called galaxies, and galaxies contain billions of stars. A medium-sized star has a lifespan of 1 billion years. A cloud of hydrogen and dust condenses. The main phase, stars burn hydrogen at its core and the current state of the Earth's sun. Helium core forms as the hydrogen shell expands. Star becomes a red giant consisting of a carbon core surrounded by a hydrogen envelope. Star finally collapses, forming a white dwarf. This is over the course of 1 billion years. So it starts from this and goes all the way to this in 1 billion years. Stars may be different in size, temperature, brightness, and color. After shining for billions of years, a star uses up all of its hydrogen. Small and medium stars slowly cool down and stop shining. Large stars end up in a violent explosion called a supernova. Think about if a star is actually a star. It's the size of its brightness and average. What does this mean for the sun's future? Let's talk about galaxies. A galaxy is a group of stars, clouds, and gases and dust particles that move together through the universe. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. They probably formed billions of years ago, soon after the universe began. The smaller galaxies are made up of millions of stars. The largest galaxies contain trillions of stars. The sun, Earth, and other planets of the solar system are part of the Milky Way galaxy. Most galaxies move through the universe as part of clusters or groups of galaxies. The Milky Way is at one end of the cluster called the local group. It includes more than 40 galaxies. Spiral galaxies are shaped like pinwheels. Elliptical galaxies can look like a football. Irregular galaxies are unusually shaped. The Whirlpool galaxy is a spiral galaxy that can be seen easily through binoculars. The Andromeda galaxy is the closest spiral galaxy to the Milky Way. Can you see that? Lightning. Lightning is electricity released from the Earth's atmosphere during thunderstorms. Water droplets inside a cloud carry positive and negative electrical charges. Lightning occurs when too many negative charges build up. The loud boom that follows lightning is called thunder. When electricity from the lightning heats and expands gases in the air, they make a loud noise. When lightning is developing, the positive charges are at the top, the negative charges are at the bottom, and there are more positive charges at the ground. The positive charges at the bottom, The positive charge at the top and the bottom are meeting the negative in the middle, and it brings it down. This illustration shows how lightning forms in the clouds. Lightning looks dramatic when it flashes through the dark sky. Lightning occurs when too many negative charges build up in the clouds. To balance these negative charges, positive charges form on the ground because opposite charges attract. The negative charges in the cloud want to join the positive charges on the ground. Eventually, the cloud releases a strong negatively charged electrical current as the negative current heads towards the ground. A positively charged current jumps from the ground to meet it. When the currents join, they create a bright flash of lightning followed by thunder. If you're enjoying this book, I would recommend having your parents purchase it through the link below, and you can read more about all the different objects in our sky and solar system. Until next time.